Hello and welcome. It's me, and me you know by now. It's Joy. It's Joy Ruffin coming to you from the Sunshine State, Florida. Always good to be with you. This week, my friend, we're going to talk about courage and all the different manifestations of courage. We all have it. Sometimes it's an everyday thing, sometimes it's an occasional thing, but whatever it is, it's within us, and we learn to use it and to abide with it. So would it be good morning, good afternoon, good evening, good day? And maybe to some of you, good night. But wherever you are, you know by now, coming your way always from this side of the world, the very best, best wishes. When it comes to courage, let's talk today about how you can live a courageous life in 5 easy steps. So I want you to read the blog, but more importantly, in order to live a life that's a courageous life and a life that's your life, belongs to you, is yours, and yours alone, you have to be able to live in the present. And more importantly than anything else, you have to be aware of what your core values are. What's important to you? Ethics, morality, principles, honor, all of those types of virtues has to be ingrained in your knowing, because it is only then when you are knowing and aware of those qualities and what they are within you that you are able to live a courageous life. And a courageous life takes on a lot of different meanings, but it means that you're able to stand up and be counted for your beliefs, what you believe in, and no matter what anyone else says, you're open, you listen, you can hear what they're saying, and sometimes even agree with much of what they're saying, but you stand by what your beliefs are if they are ingrained within the right principles, honor, ethics, and morality. So knowing that going forward. Now those are just two, living in the present and knowing your core values. And there are others. So do read the blog, take a read, as we like to say, and then leave me your comments. Share them with me and with others. And wherever you are, you know the ending by now. Look after you first, because when you do that and do it well, you'll be able to look after many, many others. So my friend, until the next time, be well and take care. Bye-bye for now. Cheers.